Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 tablet PC. Equipped with a 8.0-inch touch display, brings your photos and videos to life. MIUI 9 OS ensures you more wonderful user experience. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, offers you smooth operation and stable multitasking experience. 13.0 MP rear-facing plus 5.0 MP front dual cameras for capturing memorable moments and high-quality pictures in daily life. Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 tablet was launched in June 2018. The tablet comes with a 8.00-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels at a pixel density of 283 pixels per inch (ppi). Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 is powered by a 2.2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor. It comes with 3 GB of RAM. The Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 runs Android and is powered by a 6000 mAh non-removable battery. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 on the rear packs 13-megapixel camera. It sports a 5-megapixel camera on the front for selfies. The Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 runs MIUI based on Android and packs 32 GB of inbuilt storage. Connectivity options on the Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 include Wi-Fi 802.11a/b per gram, N, AC and USB OTG. Sensors on the tablet include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, and proximity sensor. The Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 measures 200.20 by 120.30 by 7.90 mm height x width x thickness and weighs 342.50 grams. It was launched in black and gold colors. The link in the description.